An employment contract in Utah is an agreement between an employer and an employee that outlines terms of employment and compensation for services provided in the state. In this video, we're going to cover the contents of an employment contract, at-will employment, taxes, and minimum wage laws in the state. What's covered in an employment contract? The document spells out many conditions regarding employment, including employee duties, title, whether the employee is full-time or part-time, employment periods such as an at-will or a specified period, pay, benefits, vacation time, leave, and confidentiality. At-will employment laws. Employment contracts can be arranged to start and end during an agreed-upon time period, but most contracts are at-will, which means either party may terminate the relationship at any time. There are federal exceptions that prevent employers from firing employees for reasons like discrimination, but many states also have laws that would make certain cases of termination unlawful, specifically under the regulations of public policy, implied contract, and good faith exceptions. The state of Utah offers all three of these exceptions to at-will employment. Public policy exception. In Utah, an employee cannot be fired if the termination violates a state policy, such as refusing to engage in illegal activity at the employer's request. Implied contract exception. An employer cannot fire an employee when an implied contract, such as oral suggestions regarding job security or procedures, has formed between the employer and employee, even though no written document exists. Good faith exception. This state exception requires employers to follow a just cause standard, meaning terminating an employee in bad faith is forbidden. Income tax rate. In Utah, employees pay a fixed income tax rate of 4.95%. State minimum wages and tax rates change all the time, but we keep all of this information up to date on our website. For Utah's most current minimum wages and to get your free Utah employment contract, click the link below.